Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we have to calculate NDP at MP, number 2 value addition by firm A, number 3 value addition by firm B. So let us start value addition by firm A. We know that value added is equal to value of output minus value of intermediate consumption. Let us put the values. Value of output sales plus change in stock minus value of intermediate consumption. So sales by firm A, that is given 500, plus change in stock by firm A, that is also given change in stock, which is 20, and then value of intermediate consumption. Number 1, imports by firm A, imports हैं ये item number 7, item number 7 plus sales by firm C to firm A. It means firm A has purchased from firm C. So item number 8. Item number 7 plus item number 8. 7 item 70 plus 250. Because intermediate consumption by firm A is not given, so we are calculating the components of intermediate consumption. It would be equivalent to 520 minus 320. So 200 will be the value addition by firm A. Value added by firm A. Next we have to calculate value addition by firm B. So firm B, similarly, value added is equal to value of output minus value of intermediate consumption. Value of output is equal to sales plus change in stock minus value of intermediate consumption. So a complete sale is not given, just like sales by firm A. So sales of firm B is not given. Rather we have to calculate sales, different components of sales by B. Number 1, sales by firm B to government. Item number 1, that is a component of sale. Then exports by firm B, it is also a part of sale. Item number 3. Then purchase by households from firm B, it means firm B has sales to households. Item number 4. Plus change in stock by firm B, which is given as 10. Item number 6. So by putting the value, we get value of output. Item number 100 plus 50 plus 300 plus 6th item is 10. So these all are the values of sales minus purchase by firm B from firm A, that is item number 9, which is equivalent to 200. So 460 minus 200 will be equivalent to 260. 260 is the value addition by firm B. Now we have to calculate NDP at MP. So value addition by both the firms, it means GDP at MP by firm A plus firm B, that would be equivalent to firm A's value addition is 200, B's value addition is 260, it would be equivalent to 460. So 460 is the value addition by both the firms, and we have to calculate NDP at MP. Recently we have to calculate NDP at MP. We have calculated GDP at MP. If we deduct depreciation from it, then we can calculate NDP at MP. The value of GDP at MP by both the firms, that is 460, and the value of depreciation, last value, which is 50 by both the firms. So NDP at MP, the value will be 410 by both the firms. So in this way we can calculate value addition either by individual firm A, by individual firm E, or by both the firms. You can calculate easily. So do subscribe my channel to see more videos related to value addition. Thank you.